Hi guys, welcome to Money Talks UAE. Welcome to a new video. Today's video, I'm going to give you guys a quick update about Sarwa. It's been a long time since I did an update for my Sarwa account because, the stock market was not doing so well. So I had to stop actually sharing my portfolio because it was nothing new. So after all this long time, nowadays we are starting to see that the stock market is going higher. So that's why I said, why not make an update for you guys just to show you that I'm not giving up on Sarwa. I'm not doing videos about Sarwa because I'm stopped using it. No, I've been using Sarwa for more than 2 years and I'm really happy with what I am seeing. So I'm just following the stock market because I know that the stock market is the one that's actually affecting my balance. All right, so the company has nothing to do with the movement of the stocks. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, guys, make sure to subscribe, support the channel. Thank you so much for your support. We are 6,400 members and I would like to say thank you so much for your support. If you have any questions, you can contact me either here on the comment section below, or you can just follow me on Instagram. I always post my Instagram. You will see it here. Just follow me, send me a message, and I will reply to you as soon as I can. Okay, so let's go now to Sarwa. And now, as you can see, guys, this is my balance right now. And after this long period of bearish movements and downwards and losses and all of that stuff, now we are back to the earnings. Okay, so now I'm having 300 as a profit so far because the stock market is still moving, guys, and I'm not trying to get a small profit from this platform or like few gains or like couple of bucks. I don't want that. I'm investing for the long term, and that's why most of the time I'm not even checking my Sarwa balance. I'm rarely actually opening this platform, so I just do it because I have to do an update for you guys. So as you can see, the deposit 779. Actually, I did deposit more than that, but nowadays I'm trying to switch a little bit to Sarwa Trade. I want to try Sarwa Trade. I never tried this function of Sarwa Trade because I believe that Sarwa Invest is much better. It controls your emotions, it controls your tradings, so you don't have to do any foolish decisions. All right, so but for me, actually, I want to take a little bit of profit from this Sarwa Invest and just try to use it in Sarwa Trade. So that's why actually I took $500 from this account balance. I don't know why it's not reflecting here, but maybe because it's not yet into my Sarwa Trade because I just requested that. Okay, it's already deducted from the deposit, but it's still not showing in Sarwa Trade. The problem about Sarwa Trade that I don't like is that they don't actually have a web version, so I cannot use it here. I cannot use it without my mobile phone, so that's why I rarely actually open Sarwa through my mobile phone. But anyway, I will try to invest in some stocks, actually some big stocks like Amazon or Tesla, or all these big companies, and I want to see how it's gonna go with the platform. All right, so back to Sarwa Invest now. So let's check it out, what's going on, which one is giving me money, which one is still losing money. So I'm going to go back to the assets, and as you can see here, the big surprise of all of these is actually Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin, guys. It's giving me 75%, so it's almost 100% profit. It's almost like double the money I invested with Bitcoin, so it was actually a very good decision to invest with Bitcoin in this portfolio. However, the allocation is just 8%. This is actually including the profit, so it was like 5%, as you can see here. So that's why it's not affecting the portfolio that much, but still it's giving me a good profit. So the US stock market, VTI, as you can see, guys, it's also back from the loss to the win streak, and as you can see here, 5.4%. And this actually the one with the highest allocation. This is actually the one that's moving my account that much. And these two actually, the developed markets stocks, as you can see, is minus 5%. It was below that, so now it's improving as well. So these two are actually the one who affects my balance. But still, Bitcoin is giving me some gains, and that's why you can see that my portfolio is still not giving me big profits, but still it's doing well. Emerging markets, minus 18, still taking a big beat here, but still it's improving. We are back from that period of time where everyone was losing money. So I'm guessing this year will end in a positive streak. So let's see. The cash, as you can see here, I have $660 And that's because I told you guys I requested to have $500 to move from my Sarwa Invest to Sarwa Trade. So it's still hold here, and I think it will move to Sarwa Trade by next week. I will do actually a video for you guys showing you how to do that if you want to switch between the accounts between Sarwa Trade and Sarwa Invest and vice versa, so you can control your money in this platform. Real estate, as you can see, is still minus 14. Also, it's not doing so well, but as I said, it's only 4% allocation, so not affecting that much for my portfolio. Bonds also still not doing so well. It's only 2.7 and 2.7 for my allocation, so it's not that bad, and it's not gonna make a huge difference. So the big assets in this portfolio are these two: US stocks with VTI, and developed markets with this one, EPA. So performance wise, let's see the past performance. So as you can see here, last week was really good week. Actually, there was a lot of movement. Last month also was great. It started going down, but we ended up with a good profit. And I will show you the yearly graph. So as you can see here, I didn't put a lot of money in this account, so this is actually pure gains from the stock market. Okay, let's see the activity statement. As you can see here, minus 500. This is the amount I'm taking for Sarwa Trade. But before that, look what they do. Actually, this is what happens when you request a withdrawal or you want to take money from this account to move it to Sarwa Trade. So this is what they do. They sold some of your assets, and they show you exactly when and how much they sold it for, and all of that. So like this, the price action for the stocks, it's showing here as well. And then they will show you how much in total. And because there was also some cash aside in my account, they added that to this 411, and then it becomes 500. So they are moving this amount to Sarwa Trade. All right, before that, you can see here, this is the movement of my portfolio. So some dividend from the bonds. They give you dividends very low, but they give you monthly like this amount. I had a reward from someone who used my link, and if you also want to get this reward, just use my link, guys, for joining Sarwa if you're not yet a member. And if you invest a total amount of $2,500 in 3 months, you're gonna get this amount. Okay, so someone did this, and that's why I received this amount. And this is it. This is for October and September as well. You can see bonds, and then this is from the stocks. So any dividend that is higher than $1 or $2 is actually from the stock markets. It's either VTI, VNQ, one of those stuff. And as you can see here, there's still some of these dividends, as you can see here, from the bonds. And one thing is that this is the last time I deposit some money to my account. It was around 2,000 dirham, I believe. So it's a total amount of $678. And this is how they distribute all of this stuff. Okay, this is all about the history of my Sarwa balance. And this is also the stock market. As you can see right now, we are on weekend now, so that's why the stock market is still closed. Let's see what's going to happen next week, but I just want to give you a general view about the stock market. And I'm now using VTI. VTI is reflecting the most companies in the US economy, so that's why it shows you exactly what's going on with the economy. And these green lines I put here actually are the beginning of the year. And can you see here, 2020 is the big crash that you can see here. Even though we had a very big crash in 2020 because of COVID, but the year ended with profitable year for all the investors. The following years was actually pretty amazing. A lot of people make a lot of money here. But in 2021 and the beginning of 2022, actually, this was not a good year. And unfortunately, this is why I have a negative balance in my portfolio, because I started actually investing in some area like here, I believe. And when I put more money, it was already like on the top, and then it started crashing. And that's why 2022 was not a good year. So that's why a lot of people, they have negative balance. But starting from 2023, it was actually good news. And as you can see here, the stock market is going up, and I hope actually to see more upside movement, and maybe we will hit that $240 for VTI. Bitcoin, as you saw actually in my portfolio, the Bitcoin is moving now to the upside, and this is actually good news for all the investors of cryptocurrencies. I don't really follow cryptocurrencies a lot because I know their fundamental is very, very complicated, and I cannot give you a good analysis for cryptocurrencies. But anyway, it's good to have one piece of this cake, you know. So that's why I actually included in my Sarwa balance here, and it's actually giving me a good amount of profits, like more than US stocks. So if I invested all that in Bitcoin, I would have a good profit. But still, Bitcoin is an unpredictable asset, and it can actually go down 75% down in a day. It's really shocking. So if you are really taking the risk to get profit from Bitcoin, the good news is that you can actually get a lot of profit, but at the same time, it's too risky. Like, this is what's going on in the market and cryptocurrencies. Like, it depends on the risk, how much risk you are willing to take. Because if you are planning to get fast profits, it can also be fast loss, because you can lose money fast if you are planning to get fast profits. So that's the problem. But with the stock market, you might not get rich tomorrow, but it goes like slowly and it gives you nice profit. Okay, not all the time, not every year we get profit. As I mentioned here, in 2022 was not a good year. But if you are investing in the long term, look at the bigger picture. And as you can see here, starting from 2002, it was going down, then going up, going down, going up, going down. But the overall and general picture, the stock market is always going up, and that's why you will still get money for the long term. So that's pretty much it for this review. Just giving you guys a quick update about my Sarwa balance, because it's been a long time since I did an update, and I just want to show you guys that I'm still using Sarwa. I'm not giving up on it. I just want to reduce the amount of videos that I'm using for this specific platform. I don't want to bore you because it's not gonna move a lot. The amount of money that I invested with Sarwa is not moving a lot because of actually what's going on with the stock market. However, I'm still investing with Sarwa. I still like it. I know it's slow, it's not giving me big profits, but for the long term, I am sure that I'm gonna get good return with this. So if you have any question, guys, please comment and tell me what is your question, what is your view about Sarwa. Are you still using Sarwa? What do you think will happen in the future? Are you going to stick to your plans, or are you going to have change of plans? I would like actually to see your opinion about this platform and about the stock market, and also your ideas about investing, because investing is very important nowadays. And if you're not trying to do that at the moment, maybe you're going to miss a lot of gains in the future. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Also, make sure to subscribe, support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.